and thank all of you for watching and listening to me again. Then guys, today's class is going to be very interesting. Today's class is going to be very interesting. Why? Because what I am going to tell today, how to speak in English. Today's class is how to speak in English after learning. Okay, the students especially from India who have learned English. Okay, so after learning English, all want to speak in English. All want to speak in English. So today I'm just going to tell you some techniques. Okay, I'm just going to tell you some techniques with the help of you can speak fluent English. Okay, you all can speak fluent English. Okay, so I will tell you 3 points. Today I will tell you only 3 points. Okay, and you need to use them while speaking. Okay, you need to use all these 3 points while speaking. Okay, what is the first point? First point is this: don't fear to commit mistake. Okay, if you have learned English, okay, and if you want to speak now, so speak without any hesitation. Okay, speak without any hesitation, and don't fear to commit mistake. As we all know, human is an error. Human is an error. When we start doing anything, we commit mistake. Okay, it is a human habit. Okay, it is a human phenomena. Okay, so don't fear to commit mistake. Okay, as we take the example of a child. We take the example of a child. When a child starts walking. Okay, when a child starts walking, so he also falls down many times. But he never gives up. So at the end, he definitely walk properly. Okay, so don't fear to commit mistake. While speaking, don't fear to commit mistake. First point is this. Okay, second point, I'm just moving forward to second point. Try to translate each and every sentence into English. Okay, try to translate each and every sentence into English. It means, we all are Indians. So first of all, we think in Hindi. Okay, so whatever we think, whatever you think, try to translate into English. Okay, that's the way. That's the best way to speak fluent English. Okay, like I'm explaining something at this time. And a sentence comes in my mind. Okay, so I will try to translate in English that sentence. So definitely once I will also speak fluent English. Okay, but you need to keep this habit in your mind. Okay, it means like we all are speaking Hindi. Okay, suppose we are not a native speakers. We all are not a native speakers. Okay, but we can speak better than native speaker. We can speak better than native speaker if we use this technique. Okay, try to translate each and every sentence into English. Okay, it is the second point which can improve your English communication. Okay, which can also improve your English fluency. Okay, now I am moving on third point. Okay, what is third point here? VMR. Okay, so what do you mean by VMR? Visual mental rehearsal. Okay, it means everybody has an idol. If you have any idol who can speak fluent English, so you just image about him or her. Okay, you just image about him or her and try to speak like him. So it is called VMR technique. Visual mental rehearsal. Okay, with this technique you can also speak fluent English. It's my guarantee. Okay, so today I have just told you about 3 points how to speak in English after learning. Okay, and I hope you must have understood. And if you like my videos, so please like, share and subscribe. That's it for today. Jai Hind.